Da 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 da. Hey, so this is a tree. It's a bare root stock tree, and look at how huge that comes in of a box. Isn't that pretty exciting? It is from Stark Brothers, a growing legacy since 1816. So here's the story behind this. While I open it up, last year for my birthday, my mother got me 5 fruit trees, and I planted them, and 4 of them survived. The 2 pear, the 1 peach, and my Macintosh apple. However, my Granny Smith did not. So, all of the bare root trees from Stark come with a 1-year warranty, and you can help us? Thank you. All I had to do was find the shipping order information from last year, and it was a no questions asked thing, which is awesome. So they sent it back to me, and I think I provided the information on Monday or Tuesday, and it's Friday now, and that came nice and quickly. But I wanted to show you what it looks like. This is such a better tree than the one that I was sent last year. I think we maybe ordered late in the season last year. It was June, I think. June or July. Anyways, you know what that tree looks like outside because of all the garden tours. It is a Supreme Semi-Dwarf, meaning the Supreme factor, saying that it's going to have about 5/8 inch thickness of the tree stem. So let me just gently open this up so you can take a look. It comes and it's moist on the inside, and you can see down here around the root base, it's all covered with like shredded newspaper and stuff for moisture content. I don't fully want to open this inside my house, for obvious reasons. But I did want to show you. Let's see. So here's the knot, for lack of better terms, because I don't remember what it's called. This is where the graft used to be. So you want to plant this, I think, like right about here. So the knot should be like 2 inches above the ground. I think that's what it was. I'll have to recheck. There's all the information in the box. But this stem is much thicker. Like the one that I got last year was like 3/8 of an inch thick or something. It seemed very narrow. This is much bigger. This is like how the pear tree came. And the pear tree just like took off last year. So I have high hopes for this Granny Smith. Looks really nice. It already has more branches on it than the last one I got. So I'm really pleased just seeing it here with you right now. Tomorrow we've got a beautiful day. It's going to be in the low to mid 60s. And I'm going to dig up the old apple tree and plant the new apple tree. So our average last frost date, I think, is April 30th, something like that. So that's right around the corner. The forecast for the next 10 days online is 50s and 60s, with the nights getting into the upper 30s, low 40s. So I'm not worried about this being a bad time. I want to get this in the ground before it's just sooner than later. It's a good thing. So, have you ever planted a bare root tree before? I had what I consider a very successful go of it last year with 80% success rate. Excuse me. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. And I look forward to putting this in the ground. I'm sure you'll see it on some videos next week. So that's it. Just a short little update. And inside here, they do come with, let's see, that's my shipping receipt. But it does come with the read this first information about what you do, like before you plant and where to plant and how to plant. Oh, yeah. Position the tree or plant in the hole so the grafted section sits 2 to 3 inches above the soil line. That's what I was talking about, calling it a knot. I think I called it a graft. Sweet. So, good stuff. Kudos to Stark Brothers. It's an online company. They are out of, I don't remember where they're out of, but essentially they have growing locations throughout the United States. So like this Granny Smith, I think it came from Michigan or something, somewhere in my gardening zone. So it's meant for the climate where I'm at. So they have lots of things to choose from, and in the future maybe I'll want to do some nut trees, who knows what. I have all these like food growing ambitions. So, okay, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. Happy gardening.